In this video, we'll learn Lightning Record Edit form, and this is the third type of our base Lightning component. So this component is used to create and edit the record as well. And the only benefit of this type of form is you can again customize the layout as well as you can create and edit the record basically. So if you don't want the customization, the only option you should always go with is the Lightning Record form. When you need the customization that can help you to create and edit the record, then you will go with the Lightning Record edit form. Okay, so like in the Lightning Record view form, we used Lightning output field to make the field read only. In Lightning Record edit form, we're gonna use Lightning input field so that we can edit the data in the form. Okay, so let's go and see how it works. So I'm in my VS Code. I'll close all the tags. Let's go and create the new web component. I'll give this name record edit form. So now my component is created. So the first thing we want is the object type, like what type of object you're going to use to create this form. So I'll import that. I'll say import contact. This time we're going to use contact object instead of account. So I'll say import contact object from @Salesforce schema / contact, and let's map it to a local property called object name equal to contact object. Now we have the object that we're going to use, but we want other fields as well, like what all fields you want to show on the form. So we can quickly import the fields like name underscore field from @Salesforce schema / contact dot name. So we give the reference to the name field. Similarly, we can import title. I'll copy paste the same reference. I'll change this to title. I'll change this alias to title. I can import the phone field as well. The phone. You might be thinking like in the previous video we gave the hard-coded data in the HTML. That's not a good approach. Always import to the reference that supports the referential integrity. So it's always good to import it. And what else we can import? We can import the email field, and we can import it like contact.email. Apart from that, yeah, let's go with this 4 fields and let's map those to a local property. I'll say in the object format. To access the object in the HTML, it's easy. So I'll map account field the we can import the account ID as well if you want. We can say account underscore field from contact dot account ID, and I can map this account field to account field property. I can say name field name field, then I can map title field colon title field. So I'm doing just mapping whatever the field we have imported. I'm just mapping to the fields object. So phone field, phone underscore field, and the last property is email field, email underscore. So now I mapped our all 5 properties to the object fields. And now we go to our HTML and we're gonna first create the card here quickly. We'll say lightning card. We'll give the title. We'll give lightning card edit form. So our card is ready. Now we have to use our form. So to create the form, we need to use a tag lightning record edit form, and in this form we will pass only our object API name, API name, and that API name we already imported here, contact object. So this will tell to this form you have object type contact, and in this particular demo I'm just showing you how to create a record using edit record form. So we don't need a record ID basically because we are creating the records. I'll only pass object API name, and now we're gonna customize our form. So for that I'll create the first field using the tag lightning input field. This will take an same attribute like previously we used for lightning output field, but here the field type the tag type is lightning input field, and here we'll pass our first tag, that is fields dot account field, like fields dot account field, and we'll close this tag. Then I'll copy paste the same tag 5 times, and I'll go and copy paste this first account field, name field, title field, phone field, and the email field. So now we are creating the 5 fields. You can wrap it under the SLDS column like I did in the previous video. It's up to you whether you want it 2 column, 3 column, you can do all. The only thing that to remember is you can create the field using lightning hyphen input hyphen field. Okay, and then we're gonna create the button now. So we'll create the button lightning button. We'll give the class SLDS margin around the score this small. The extra small class we are giving for the margin. I'll call this button label as cancel button, and can close this button now, and I'll copy paste the same button below. I'll give this button a variant this time, and I'll say the type of this button is submit. Apart from that, I want the label to be save, and that's it. So now our form is ready. We have created 2 buttons and few fields to the form, and we are just telling the form what type of object it is. And let's add the meta tags here. So I'll say is exposed to true, and the tag is to be lightning underscore underscore app page. And we have the fields, we have the forms, everything is ready. Let's deploy this. So now it's deployed. Let's go to our org and click on edit page. Let's search for our component name, record edit form, move it to the last column and hit save, go back, and now you can see that we use account name, that is a lookup. It's coming in the lookup format, so you don't need to build a custom lookup form or something. It's coming automatically. We have used title, and title is coming name and in this account we have a name is like salutation, first name, last name, all three fields are coming, title, phone, email, everything is coming, right? And it's also supporting the validation rules as it is. If I hit save, they complete the field. Search this, the name 0, contact, title, learning, phone number, email @com. Save. There is some error, but we are not capturing right now. So let's go and do that as well. To get the error on the screen, what we need to do is we need to use another tag, that is lightning messages. So just below your lightning record edit form tag, add this tag where it will show the error is in the form of a toast, not exactly the toast, but a red color message. So let's deploy this once and see. It's deployed now. Back. And now we already added the lightning messages tag. Now if I directly go and click save, you will see it's showing the error message directly. An error occurred while trying to update the record, please try again. So this is how you can capture the error messages using lightning messages tag. So now let's go and create a record. I'll say the account is my first form 1. I'll say doctor, first name 0, last name hero, title 020, give some phone number, will give some email IDs 0@gmail.com, and let's hit save. And it's saying an error occur while trying to update, please try again, duplicate error. So we'll say 0101 01@gmail.com. Let's hit save. Now the error message went away. It means the record is created, but right now we are not handling the success because we are not showing the red like our toast message of success and all, but the record is created. So let's go to the contacts, search for contacts. On the contacts you will see our contact is created successfully, 0101, and you open this, you can get all the details that we have filled, 0 to hero, my record from 1, and all those stuff. Let's go back to our base component. So this is how you use your lightning record edit form, and this is how you create the record. So always use base lightning component whenever you want to play with the data and you don't want to create everything from scratch. By default all things comes to you. Use lightning record form when you want to create, edit, update anything without customization. When you want to just display the records with some customization, go with the lightning record view form, and when you need a full freedom with the customization along with creation and updation, go with lightning record edit form. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.